This whole animated portfolio website was made by Claude Fable 5 just from one single prompt. And that same prompt has been given in the description completely for free. You can grab it right now. So in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can make this exact website for yourself. But before that, take a look this website real quick. So here you can see I'm inside the Claude code and I'm using that through the Claude desktop application. And if you also want to use that, just simply go to claude.com/download, and from here you can download that for your Windows or Mac. And after downloading, when you install that, you can easily use the Claude code in the Claude desktop app. So here our first task is we need to add the image generation and video generation models with the Claude Code, because Claude Code don't have the ability to generate images or videos. But for our website, we really need that. So for getting access to the models, in here I'm using Higgsfield. So let's add the Higgsfield MCP with Claude Code. So for that, I'll just go to the customer section just like this. And here I'll go with connectors. After that, I'll simply go with add, then I'll go with add custom connector. And the name of the connector is Higgsfield. So I'll just type that. After that, I have to give the remote MCP server URL. So I'd given the link in the description. So if you follow that link, you will simply come to this website, higgsfield.ai, and make sure that you first have an account. And after that, you simply have to go to MCP and CLI. So for the MCP, in here I'll use the Claude. So here I'll simply copy this exact URL, just like this. And then I'll just paste that inside Claude Code in this exact place. Now I'll go with add. It will take some time. As you can see, it's connecting. And now we have to connect that with our Higgsfield account. So for that, I'll go with connect. And now it will automatically pop up something like this. And you only have to go with allow so that it can connect with your exact account. And just like this, as you can see, we successfully added the Higgsfield with our Claude Code. So here we can use the Higgsfield also from Claude Chat and Claude Cowork. But in this case, we want to use the Claude Code so that we can make a beautiful website through the Higgsfield MCP. So here our first task is we have to give approval to always allow so that it doesn't bother us every time just by asking different permissions. And no worries, it's safe. But if you want to keep everything very secure, then you can go with need approval every time. Okay, we are done. And now we have to go back to our Claude Code. And here you can see that's the common dashboard of Claude Code. And here we have to give a command, and based on the command it will work. But before that, make sure you choose the Claude Fable 5, because that's the main thing in here. I hope you know that Claude Fable 5 was shut down for some days and recently it just activated again. And to use that, you simply have to go to the model section, and here make sure you're choosing Claude Fable 5. And if you use that before July 7, you'll see something, a notification that you can use up to 50% of your plan limits on Fable 5 through the July 7. And after that, it will be switched to the users credits to continue using it. And I hope that after the July 7, it will be very much expensive to use, because the thing is, even you are a pro plan user or max plan user, it really doesn't matter for Claude. You have to give extra money to Anthropic to use this exact model. So let me choose the Fable 5. A simple thing to mention here, make sure you choose a folder where the complete website will be stored. In here, as you can see, I made a folder named as portfolio site where all of the elements of my website will be stored there. So now let's give the command. So here's the prompt, and as I already told you, this exact prompt has been given in the description completely for free. So here I'll select that from the top to the bottom like this, and then I'll copy that, and then I'll paste that in this exact place. So let me give you a quick overview of this exact prompt instead of reading the whole thing from the top to the bottom. So basically in here, I'm telling to Claude Code, build me a cinematic portfolio website, the kind you see win awards. The main thing, the hero is a 3D terminal that spins and unfolds as I scroll down. That's the main shot. And I'm telling also to generate 4 video clips of me using the Cadence 2.0 inside Higgsfield, where the first one will be me in a studio with a floating terminal. Another one will be me in a gallery. The third one will be me in a creator studio. And the last one will be walking down a corridor of screens. And here's the key part. it uploads my photo and locks my face into every single clip. So it actually me in all of them, not some random AI guy. And after that, I'm laying out the whole site, my name animating in letter by letter, state counters, and count up as I scroll, a 3-pillar section, a work gallery, a skills mark, and all of it pinned to the scroll, so it feels smooth and very expensive. And the end, I tell it, don't cut corners, don't simplify, run it on localhost, and check everything's battery before you call it done. And last of all, make sure that you upload your image. So for that, I'll go with plus, and then I'll go with add files or photos. So here you can see, here's our image, and here make sure that you store your image in the exec folder that you're using for this exec project. In this case, we are in the portfolio site folder, and I also choose this exec folder, as you can see, portfolio site, for this exec project inside the Claude Code. So what will happen if you not store your image in this same folder? So basically Claude will just describe this image to Higgsfield as like a text description or like a face description of yours instead of uploading your image, because Claude can't find this exact image as a file. But if I store this image inside that exact folder, Claude can find this image, and also it can send that to the Higgsfield as a file or as a binary file, whatever you say. And now I'll go with open. And also one thing to mention here, make sure the image you'll upload, that is very clear. If it's blurry, then it will lose the quality. So that's our complete prompt, one single prompt, one image. And now we'll go with send, and you'll see that it will give us the complete animated site. So here you can understand that it will do so many things, and it will obviously take some time, because here it have to make a complete website. And not only this, it have to generate 4 video clips through the Seedens 2.0 inside Higgsfield. And in here we're using the Fable 5, which is the latest and strongest model of Claude. And as well as that's also a very slow model. So let me back with you after getting the complete website. So we just now got the site. As you can see there, the image we uploaded, and that was the prompt, and it just uploaded the image, and it just got the ID of that image. After that, it used that to generate the videos. Here's the like videos, and as I already told you, we want to generate like 4 videos. Again, it uploaded those videos in the Higgsfield and then got those IDs, and some of the videos doesn't seems very good, so it regenerated again by itself. It just took 2 videos and it regenerated those again. As you can see, the video quality is really cool, because in here we're using the Seedens 2.0. That's very awesome. As you can see, like how my face is literally matching with these videos. Awesome. And at last, it given me, here's the website. So if I just open this localhost, you can see it's loading right now. So basically it takes like some seconds to load. So here's the site. As you can see at the top, a small icon saying RJ, a blinking animation, and also here you can see a blinking animation. So if I scroll down, you'll see the magic. I'm scrolling down, down, down. Okay, a little animation. If I scroll down, again in animation text, it's showing me like 199 Claude skills build, 13 tools suite shift, 1 live paid community, and dozens. So basically talking about my Hello AI school community. And if I scroll down, guys, there's the another section, the creator. Okay, and here's a simple explanation about myself, what I do as a creator. Okay, if you scroll down, the community. Okay, I have a community, any explanation on that. Again, I'm scrolling down, the systems I built. If I scroll down again, you can see a small animation showing I worked with Higgsfield, Seedens 2.0, agent skills, and flows, Superbase, GSF, and yeah, some of the things like this. If I scroll down again, you'll see an other section where I'm kind of like talking, and the topic I talk on my YouTube channel basically showing in here as like a boxes. And if I scroll down, you'll see everything moving and the camera just shifting to me and just looks very good. Okay, and it's saying me this complete website is built by using Claude Code plus Higgsfield MCP. If I scroll down, okay, it's me coming like, okay. And if I scroll, and it's saying in here, 1 tools like this for your businesses too. And there's like a 2 CTA, join my school community, or like watch my YouTube. I think like that's 10 out of 10 from myself. You can understand that like it's really cool. Even though I didn't like this figure exactly, but the rest of the things I liked, you can see like the figure is like a little bit autistic type, but yeah, overall it's cool. We can fix that. We can just say that, you know, I didn't like the last video, just fix that. It'll do that instantly. No worries at all. But just look at the quality of the website, how cool it is. If you scroll up again, you'll see everything just going back again. Just awesome. So if you want to build a website like this, just grab the prompt I had given in the description and just follow the guideline I showed you. You can do this too. It's very easy to do. You don't have to worry about it at all. Make sure that you are pro plan or max plan user of Claude, because if you're a free plan user, you can't use the Claude's latest model. So yeah, that's the whole thing. I hope that this video helped you. If yes, then please drop a like. And as like always, see you in the new video guys. Till then, peace.